Hi guys, I'm Nero from CogniCore AI, and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm thrilled to share a super easy automatic installer for comfyui with sageattention, Triton, and Torch compile. We'll be installing sageattention too, so let's dive right into it. First, I'll select the GPU. I'm going with the L40S GPU here. Make sure you've selected the PyTorch 2.4 template, then click Edit Template to add more storage. I'll set it to 80 gigabytes, but you can adjust this based on the models you plan to download. Next, I'll expose port 3001, click Set Overrides, and hit Deploy on Demand. Now, we wait for the pod to spin up. Once it's deployed, I'll connect to it through port 8888. Now, grab the installer script from the video description, upload it to your workspace, open a new terminal, paste the command from the description, and press enter. It'll kick off by updating the system, then update Python, and install comfyui. Look at this, it's installing the sageattention wheel file. I've pre-compiled sageattention for you guys to make this installation lightning fast. Here's the confirmation, sageattention 2 is installed successfully. We've got PyTorch 2.7 with CUDA 12.8, Triton 3.3, and Torch compile is ready to roll. It then continues with the rest of the installation, including the comfyui manager. Now we can see comfyui confirming it's using sageattention, along with the Python, PyTorch, and CUDA versions. Everything's set. When you spot this URL with port 3001, that means our comfyui installation is complete and running on port 3001. From here, you can use our super fast install scripts to download any models you want for this setup. Check out my video in the I button to know how to download any model super fast. Let's head back to the pods page, click connect, and link to port 3001. Boom, comfyui is up and running. You can also install your favorite custom nodes right here. If you set this up on network storage and need to restart, just use this command from the description. It'll fire up comfyui with sageattention again, no hassle. Quick tip. I recommend installing comfyui with sageattention, Triton, and Torch compile separately from your main comfyui setup, as it might break things if you mix them. That's all for this video. Hope it helped you out. If it did, please like the video and hit that subscribe button for more amazing automatic installer scripts. Want to support this channel? Sign up for RunPod using the link in the description. I really appreciate it. I'm Nero, and I'll see you in the next one.